Good morning, CD20. I hope you are doing well and that you're all staying healthy. I just wanted to record a quick video message to talk about the next 2 weeks. So I am doing this in 2 week segments, the last part of our class, because they are kind of tricky weeks. So you saw how the DRDP took some time. This week we are doing ECHRS, which stands for the Early Childhood Environmental Rating Scale. And normally I would have some books in class that we would go over and learn how to score with. So the scoring is a little bit tricky with the ECHRS, and so it takes some time to really figure it out. I am thankful that I have Amanda Tainter. She was your sub for that 1 week at Reedley, who teaches this class online. We always said we would not teach CD20 online, and we are. So I did not have anything prepared for ECHRS, so I'm borrowing a lot of her information and videos. So she did videos on the Reedley College Lab School, and since I'm not able to get into our lab school, I'm going to take those videos for this week, and we're going to practice using, and your homework assignment is looking at the videos for the Reedley Lab School. So you're going to have a lot to do this week. We have the directions right here, and then there are several lectures. This is the lecture that Amanda did for the ECHRS to explain it. I highly recommend you watch all of it because it can be tricky, like I said. Here's some practice to scoring. So there's some videos, and then there's a way for you to follow along in how you're going to score. So here's some practice items right here. So here's going to tell you how to score, and this is going to give you some time to practice with the scoring, because like I said, it can be pretty tricky. There's a no, and then there's a yes, and I know that doesn't sound tricky. There's you want no's in the first column, and then you want yeses for the rest of the columns. And so really spending some time looking at the scoring on here will help you tremendously. You are then going to watch these videos under classroom observation, and to get your homework here, your score sheet. So you are going to score only the ones that are listed here, and they are listed out, and then there's videos for each of them and the score sheets. And the way you can do this is either to upload it, because they are not, you probably would have to print it out, and then a lot of times people take pictures of it, and that works well to upload it. You can also do it on your phone. There's a couple of different apps. I just downloaded an app for my phone because I had to scan something, and it was called Genius Scan. So I used that tool to upload, to take pictures and then upload to an email, but you can use it for that. So you're going to use the score sheet here, and it is 50 points. So make sure that you spend some time on that. Here's a discussion board, and I changed it so you only have to reply to one person. So make sure that you do that one. And then we have the scoring practice quiz. So here's a quiz right here. I just wanted to also, so these are weeks 15 and 16. And so just wanted to also say that we are not going to be having a final in this class. We're going to do the next 2 weeks. Once this module is done in 2 weeks, and I believe it's May 10th, or the due, oh, I can look, yes, May 10th, right here. Once that is done, we will go on to week 17 and 18, and week 18 will end on Wednesday. So we'll only have a week and a half for the final module, but there will be no final in the final module. I hope you're doing well, and if you have any questions, I can try and do if you're having trouble with the scoring part, I can walk you through it if you want to show up to my office hour, or if those times don't work for you on Wednesday and Friday at 11, we can set up another time and I can just, you tell me what works for you. And if I don't have a meeting, I can hop on Zoom and we can do it. I can show you how to do it. So hope you have a great week.